Manipur recorded 59 fresh cases of COVID-19 during the past 24 hours, taking the tally to 836. Officials said the number of active cases now in Manipur has jumped to 604, while 232 individuals have discharged or recovered. No COVID-19 fatality have been recorded in the state till then. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed the nation on the 6th International Yoga Day, where he said this is the day of unity as yoga binds everyone together. This is a day of universal brotherhood. The theme of International Day of Yoga this year is Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. At least 12 people from Northeast have lost their lives in New Delhi during lockdown, and 4 others have died due to COVID-19 in the national capital, said Special Commissioner of Delhi Police Robin Hibu. Coronavirus cases in India crossed the tally of 4 lakh this morning, as the country recorded its biggest jump of 15,430 new infections in the past 24 hours, beginning yesterday. Today, the death toll figure stood at 13,254, according to the Union Health Ministry's latest data. Of them, 306 died in the past 24 hours. The coronavirus positive cases in India stands at 4,10,461, report said. The active coronavirus cases in India stood at 1,69,451 as of today. The Earth is hosting a rare kind of solar eclipse today, which is also coinciding with the summer solstice or the first day of summer. June 21st will also be the longest day of the year, when people around the world will witness a celestial event known as a Ring of Fire solar eclipse or an annular solar eclipse. In India, the path of the Ring of Fire solar eclipse began near Gharsana in Rajasthan around 10:12 am today. Hangang police picked up Victor Khaba, an advocate, late last night for his comments on the social media, alleging lack of transparency in the 2018 recruitment process of the Manipur government horticulture department. Advocate Victor commented that nepotism, favoritism and corruption in recruitment process are not new in Manipur. Hangang police station has filed an FIR against the advocate, a report said. Ngangkhlawai Jilla Parishad Motum Kanan Bala Laima handed over 45 street lamps to Ward Member and Ward Development Committee Thamnapokpi, which will be installed at Thamnapokpi Ward 5 and 6 of Ngangkhlawai Gram Panchayat. The distribution of lamps was held at Thamnapokpi Community Hall under the supervision of Bisnupur CEO Jilla Parishad Hanjabam Bobby Sharma. Joint Coordination Committee on Wildlife and Biodiversity JCCWB Manipur under the District Forest Officer Thaubal today planted saplings along the stretch of Yaripok Vishnu Naha Canal up to Charangpat in connection with World Environment Day 2020. A terrorist was gunned down by security forces in an ongoing gun battle in Jadibal area of Jammu and Kashmir's Srinagar city, officials said today. The encounter between terrorists and security forces erupted after a cordon and search operation was launched in Jadibal and Junimar Pochwalpora localities, following inputs about their presence in the areas, a media report said. 2 more terrorists are believed to be trapped, according to officials. The United States is talking to both India and China to help them resolve their ongoing border tensions, President Donald Trump said. According to a media report, Trump told reporters at the White House before boarding Marine One on his way to his first post-COVID-19 election rally in Oklahoma that he is talking to China and India as the countries are now facing a big problem.